Hello, what's up traders? How you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel and our weekly forex forecast. My name is Mr. Emmanuel. Today we also have three pairs as usual: USD CAD, Euro USD GBPNZD. Okay, so before we jump right into it, please quickly subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification, share the video with your friends. Okay, alright, thank you guys. So we have Euro USD there, we have USD CAD. Okay, then we also have GBP NZD. Okay, so these are the three pairs we have for this week on the watch list. So this is Euro USD 4 hour. From what I'm seeing right here, there's a kind of uptrend here. Okay, a kind of uptrend here on 4 hour. This is what I'm seeing. Okay, so this is perfect. So I want to see this market come up to this level, and then sell. Then let's look at it at the bigger picture on daily. Let's see what the daily is telling us. So from what I'm seeing here, this market will continue to sell, meaning that it's going to break below this very particular continuation pattern or trend line. Okay, so this is where our target should be. Yep, because this has been selling and it formed continuation pattern here, so we are expecting it to do what? To sell and drop to this point, sell and break below. Okay, this point. Okay, then that is clear. On the Euro USD, very simple one there. So let's quickly look at the USD CAD. We have USD CAD here. Okay, I'm also seeing an uptrend right here. Sorry, my trend line is pointing uptrend here. Okay, so I have to duplicate it to make sure that it's tally. So what can you see here? So this USD CAD on daily time frame. So I'm seeing something like this. Okay, so these are our harmonics. Then I love to also see the market doing something like this. You come up here, come down here, then from this point, that's a buying, just like this. Okay, so from this point, you start buying up. In this simple analysis right here on the USD card. Okay, please, if you have any question, kindly comment on the comment section, then I'll answer your question. Please do a favor, subscribe, turn on the notification, and then share the video. If you are also seeing anything outside what I'm doing, congratulations, you are also right. But the truth about it is that we cannot see things the same. Okay, we see things different on the chart. Okay, so let's look at the last one, GBPNZD. What GBPNZD telling us here? It's also pointing uptrend right here. Okay, so this is uptrend here. So I have to duplicate my trend line to make sure it's tally. Alright, this is a perfect one right here, guys. So I'm also seeing the high that we are expecting this market to come and work before the retracement. So this is the high. We want to wait this market to come and work this high. Okay. Then after which, then we wait for the market to do what? Start retracing. Just like this. Okay. I'm also seeing a beautiful harmonics here. So hopefully this market is going to serve a massive one here. Okay. So this is the body language the market has presented to us. So from what we are seeing, this is our faith and hope that the market will serve successfully. Okay. So I think this is a very quick and a short analysis on our weekly Forex forecast. So thank you guys for being part of this show. But this is where I have to draw the curtain for today. Alright. Do have a profitable trading week, guys. Thank you guys. Please make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification. Share the video too.